Okay, our new belt arrived. Look at the difference. This one had its internals completely stripped out. Yet it was still running, amazingly enough. So we got it off. Now to replace it. That's where it goes. To change the front belt, you actually have to take this pulley off and slide the controls back and forth to loosen and tighten the pulley so the belts will slip on and pass by these guards as well. And then after you get it on, you have to put the guard on. Which keeps the belt from coming loose. You can see that. There's also an idler pulley that goes on with these nuts and bolts, and that goes right in where you can see that hole right there where it goes through and acts as a balancer type of to smooth out the transitions with the belt, the main engine belt.